5 things you can do today to erase parenting regret. Parenting regret is a thing, a common thing. It can range from small mishaps that add up over time to completely regretting how you went about raising your child. However, there are simple things you can do now to save yourself the guilt later. Consider this list of 5 easy things you can start doing now that will have a significant impact on your relationship with your child now and later. 1. Start saving. Kids are expensive. Start saving before or as soon as you decide to have kids. This isn't just for college. As we all know, college isn't for everyone. Trade school, medical, or maybe that gap year. Save now to be better prepared later. 2. Stop overscheduling. Suzie does not need to be in 4 after-school activities. Let your kid have downtime and be a kid. Giving your child unstructured playtime can allow them to explore their own imagination and reap the benefits later in life. 3. Speak and show love. Tell your child that you love them and act in that manner regularly. Children need to feel safe, cared for, and loved all of the time. Speaking and showing love will help your child to feel that they are being supported and can talk freely with you. 4. Treat your kids like kids. Kids are not tiny adults. They have big feelings and thoughts, but no way to cope with them or express them. Taking the time to teach your child to express and cope with feelings and thoughts will help make them a strong communicator in the future, and also allow them to feel that they can count on you for help when things feel overwhelming. 5. Try new things together. Routine is what makes life tick, but kids also need to learn to experience new and different things. This could be adventures, cultures, cuisine, or maybe even going to a movie or riding a roller coaster for the first time. Sharing those experiences with your child will strengthen your bond and also open up a new world of possibilities for your kids. Remember that while you start exploring ways to minimize parental regret later in life, you cannot foresee all outcomes or save yourself from all regret. While these 5 things that you can do will be helpful, work through these to find your own resolutions.